Today I'll be telling you guys how you guys can send a fake snap on Snapchat without any filter. Now before opening Snapchat, record yourself a video using your phone's camera. So I'm going to record myself a random video using my phone's camera. Once I record the video, I want to send this video as a snap. Now in order to send this as a snap without using any filter, I need to open my Snapchat. And on my Snapchat, what I need to do is record a video. Doesn't matter how long, I just need to record a video. After the video is recorded, you can see the little plus icon at the bottom left of my screen. I need to click on that. Once I click on it, it's going to show me this option called import media. I need to click on import media. After clicking on import media, make sure you're on the camera roll section and choose the video which you want to send as a snap. Once you choose it, click on the tick at the bottom right. Now what you want to do is the first video is going to be the one which you recorded from Snapchat, and the second video is going to be the one which you imported into Snapchat. So you want to delete the first video. For that, you can hold it at the bottom left corner. Once you hold on it, you will see the minus button. Click on the minus button right at the top of the video and the video will be removed. Once it's removed, you can tick mark over here at the bottom right and click on send to and send this to anybody you want, and it's going to be sent as a snap. It's not going to be sent as a fake snap. Okay, as you guys can see, the video is going to be sent as how a snap is going to be sent. That's how you guys can send fake snaps on Snapchat without a filter. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.